Youn's Kitchen 2 premiere takes first place in its time slot. Youn's Kitchen 2 is off to a strong start after achieving top ratings with its first episode. The second season of the TVN reality show kicked off on January 5 with impressive viewership ratings, recording an average of 14.1% and a peak of 17.3% during its premiere. Soompi. Display. News. English. 300 by 250. Mobile. English. 300 by 250. ATF. Just one episode into the season, Youn's Kitchen 2 has already managed to break its own ratings record. The highest peak rating it achieved in the first season was 16% during the sixth episode. The show also took first place in its time slot across all channels, including public broadcasting networks, an especially remarkable feat considering that it airs on cable. Youn's Kitchen 2 will follow cast members Park Seo-joon, Youn Yo-young, Lee Seo-jin, and Young Yu-mi as they attempt to run a Korean restaurant in the Spanish town of Garakoko. The show airs on Fridays at 9:50 p.m. KST.